Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to stake XRP on Coinbase. Now as you can see, this is the official Coinbase website, and as you can see, this is the policy of earn up to 14% APY on your crypto. This is basically putting your crypto onto work, which is like you can call the staking as well. Now if I go to the website, and here are all the assets, or you can just call the cryptocurrencies as well, which are like 136 assets. You can read as well. Now these are the assets which you can stake on Coinbase. Here is the like estimated reward rate, which is mentioned in front of the coin or the asset, and staking market cap as well. Now let's say that you want to stake XRP on the Coinbase. You won't be able to do it because, as you can see, like there are only 136 assets. You can just go through one by one, and I've gone through like all of them, and there is no XRP supported by the Coinbase. I've done some research as well, and a lot of people and a lot of websites are saying that XRP is not supported. XRP staking is basically not supported by the Coinbase. However, like many other currencies like Solana, Ethereum, or like other currencies which are like supported by the Coinbase, you can stake them. You can just go to the website, to go to this section and click on start earning, or you can just click on, make sure that you are logged in your account as well. And once you're logged in, you can just click on start earning or start staking, and you will be able to stake the amount, whatever your amount is. Now that is a simple and easy process if you want to do staking on Coinbase, but if you're looking for XRP staking on Coinbase, you won't be able to do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.